Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is a rainbow seed maintenance weekly light body calibration. Now let's check out what is the goal of this week's light body focus. What is your light body focusing on this week? Remove the splinter. Ouch. Locate the core of the issue. Help is available to you. You guys. So what I am hearing is that there has been an issue, whether it is physical, mindful, emotional, or spiritual, and you've been doing certain things to support it, to solve the issue, but none of it's working. Spirit is really asking or wanting me to say, hey, did you ever think that the problem you are attempting to solve is not the actual problem? This feels like a mic drop or like a card drop. So your light body is wanting to focus on removing the core issue, the splinter, because you've been working and it's interesting. You know what you're doing is powerful, and whatever you are doing, it's meaningful, but you're not seeing results. And the reason you are not seeing results is because that is not where the problem actually sits. The problem is sitting somewhere else that you are not working on. And it's fascinating because you are working on something that's not the actual problem, all of this attention is going there. And you're like, well, what the heck? Why isn't anything working? Because the actual problem, the root cause of the problem, is over here being avoided and unseen. So now that we are going to direct our focus to the actual issue, we're able to not only be aware of the issue, but receive the proper support and care and resources to solve it. Awesome, you guys. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically? Energetically, where are you being upgraded to actually recognize, actually realize where the actual issue lies? Serenity. I'm also getting that you're a dragon soul. You're a dragon soul. We're getting another message. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm speaking to angelic beings. I'm speaking to dragon beings. This doesn't mean your soul originates as a dragon or angelic being. I'm merely speaking of a reincarnation. But you've tapped into this dragon self. You have immunity to energetic hooks. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so silly. You know how I was saying, like, it's time to remove the splinter? Like, there's the root problem over here, but you're trying to do everything for a problem over here? You're a dragon soul, baby. You don't have problems. You get to choose your problems, but you don't actually have problems. before you shut me off, something about being a sovereign angelic being means that when you choose a realm, a frequency, a dimension, you have faith in that. The issue comes when you have so much faith in an issue, because energy does not judge, oh, we're only going to have faith in this good thing. No, you can have faith in whatever is the problem. You can be choosing the problem. And this is what it feels like. There is a choice that's been made, believed, to the point that you have faith that this is a problem that has to be solved. Remember when I said there's something over here that you're avoiding to look at? You're avoiding to see that you are immune to these issues. You're immune to these problems and drama, but you're choosing it anyways. That's the root issue. Someone may tell you this is a problem and distort your reality, and you are believing it. You're believing what others have to influence more than yourself. What I have to offer you this week is rest. This Lemurian egg is offering a deep space of rest. So something very beautiful that Lemurian earth seeds provided for angelic dragon beings were these beautiful, energetic, egg-shaped sacs. So they look like this. The reason they did this was so these angelic beings could enter these energetic bubbles and rest and rejuvenate and recalibrate their energy and allow any distortions that they may have believed in to dissolve. Because again, these sovereign beings are immune to those energy hooks, those energy vampires. But if they choose to believe in them to the point of trusting in those lies, then it becomes true. So Lemurian earth seeds saw, wow, these angelic beings are having a hard time with keeping their truth at a lower frequency on this planet. Let me help them out with this. So, you're being upgraded energetically by one, realizing you're this beautiful being. If you are interested, the next blue moon, not this blue moon, the next blue moon, check out the spiral curriculum of sovereign evolution. That specific cycle I have created specifically for dragon souls to remember themselves. But something beautiful is knowing that the Lemurian earth seeds from this planet have made these capsules for different beings that are incarnating here on this planet now to reveal their true selves and to remind them of their sovereignty. And that is your upgrade. You're upgrading and realizing the main splinter to remove is you choosing the drama, the problem, as if it's the truth when it's not. Where attention goes, energy flows. Okay, so which chakra needs maintenance? Which chakra needs maintenance? Oh, I had a feeling I was going to get this card. So it's not a chakra that needs maintenance. I know it says Soul Star Chakra, but if you've worked with me or been on my channel long enough, the Soul Star is a gateway where you get to commune and enter the lower aspect of your Akasha or your Akashic template. Now, it needs maintenance because you may already know you are a dragon soul or an angelic being, but there are some chakras. Your dragon soul, your incarnation of being this angelic sovereign being, is now linking up chakra systems. So imagine this is your dragon chakra system, like a light column, and these are your chakras. They're trying to mend and attach themselves. At Cosmic Energy and Spiritual Wellness, we call this astral binary chakra union or collapsing. The chakras will unite, but sometimes there's some resistance. So we go into your template to see where you're resisting so they fit nicely. So maintaining those chakra systems. You can do this through meditation. You can do this through feeling your human earth seed chakras versus your dragon chakras. They're also very different. If you noticed, I said light column. Now, if you are wanting guidance, I do guide benevolent beings through this process. Technically, dragon souls, and in this case, the card that came up for this type of dragon being, I would recommend my seasonal angel seed activation just so we can get started with activating your chakra system so it's not such a shock or overwhelm, because you may be feeling a little overwhelmed right now with your higher self and these very expansive and not contained chakra systems, light systems. All right. But that is what the Lemurian egg is for. Please, 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 please go into meditation. Actually, you know what? Head on over to Being Cosmic Chaos on Spotify or Apple Podcast. I am going to create a dragon meditation just for you guys in tapping into this Lemurian shield that the beautiful Lemurian earth seeds made for dragon souls. Head on over there if you want a guided meditation. Now let's see who is supporting your manifestations this week. Who is supporting you while you are in the Akasha? Who is supporting you with this energetic upgrade and entering the Lemurian egg? Oh, there we go. Star children, a star seed. So you have a star being or a star seed as a friend. If a human face entered your mind while I brought this card up, that being is a star seed. They've originated from a different star system. They are reincarnated as an earth seed or a human right now. If you do not see a face, a being that is assisting you through this process is a star being. If you are wanting to meditate with different types of beings, I definitely would head on over to my podcast, Being Cosmic Chaos. And there are so many, just a library of multidimensional star beings that you can connect with through different meditations in a safe and protected manner. But star beings are assisting you with this process. Now for alignment, what needs self-care? I'm calling in the star beings to help me answer this question. What needs self-care? Ooh. Okay, there was a handful of star beings ready to offer an answer. I'm not going to go through every single one. I'm going to clarify. We are needing one common self-care component for this collective. Oh. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay. Music. I'm getting a sense of listening to music without words, listening to music with certain frequencies. They're showing me Tibetan bowls, crystal bowls, wah-wah tubes, tuning forks, specifically having those vibrations close to the body. I'm also getting a big aha moment. If you have yet to watch last week's Rainbowseed maintenance video, this will resonate because I had the earth seeds practice with this, those Lemurian earth seeds. If you resonated with that group last week, you're like, I'm an earth seed, and you're just watching this for fun. You may not resonate with the dragon soul. These are the beings you're helping. So when I assist people, especially beings that are earth seeds, it's not too often that I get to share who they are assisting. So I think that's stunning that the group of beings I read for last week, through remembering themselves, they're able to remind these sovereign dragon souls that they left these energetic bubbles for when they reincarnate as a human to rest within to help them. What a beautiful thing. So music will help. Listening to music. Wow. I really want to say thank you so much. Thank you for walking this wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow seed, angelic seed, star seed, and earth seed. And may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds. Trust your light. I'll see you next time.